Online Virgin Hill Interceptor as they make the first turn. Spanish Drums took the lead now by half a line, followed by Material Ruler. Just a moment, a very close turn. Alain Kanihapi in fourth, Tower of Strength. And alongside now is Good Humor, 5 lengths away to Confalon Story. Virgin Hill, one moving around the outside now. Inside the last 800, matching strides, Spanish Drums, Material Ruler. Watching enter, just a moment. Here comes Tower of Strength, Good Humor, Confalon Story, Virgin Hill. And as they race the last 600, Material Ruler grabs the lead, followed by Spanish Drums, Tower of Strength, just a moment. Confalon Story sneaking out in rail as they come up towards the home turn. Material Rulers sneaking away now by Sam 3.5 lengths. It's Material Ruler leading the pack by Sam 2.5 lengths, followed by Confalon Story. And at the last 50 meters, it is still Material Ruler. And finally, Material Ruler, Confalon Story, Tower of Strength, Virgin Hill, Good Humor.